How to change the lock screen shortcuts, which are the functions that appear to the bottom left and right of your lock screen for Xiaomi phones with Android 16 Hyper OS 3. To find and change the lock screen shortcuts, as always, use the quick access and look for this toggle right here. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the list of all the settings, then go down and look for lock screen, this right here. Once in the lock screen area, you're going to now see something called Customize Shortcuts, and that's a new feature for HyperOS 3. And as you go into it here, you'll be able to choose the shortcuts on the left here or those that appear on the right. And it'll show you which one it is currently set as. So currently, at default, the left is the flashlight and the right side is the camera. Now, if you choose to select something else, like either one of these here, you can go ahead with that, okay? So you can switch the right for the calculator, and just as an example, and then the left would probably be like your stopwatch. And once you make those changes, and it's only whatever is available here, it'll show up now as your shortcuts, as well as you can just have it to none if you don't want for either one of these, okay? And just as an example, I'll go ahead and lock the screen now, and you'll see that I got the stopwatch and the calculator here. Some may ask you to use your password to unlock your phone in order to get access to it, as some of them don't require that, such as the flashlight and the camera. Those don't need passwords in order to get access to them while your screen is off, okay? And that's that. Like and sub.